Most people are using the wrong upscaler in Canva, and it's ruining their image quality. In this video, we're putting Magic Upscale and the Image Upscaler app head-to-head to find out which one actually gives better results. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Let's start with accessibility. When it comes to ease of access, Magic Upscale clearly wins. All you have to do is add your image, click Edit, and then hit the Upscale button directly from the left-hand panel. Everything is already built in, so the process is fast and seamless. On the other hand, with the Image Upscaler app, the process takes a few extra steps. After adding your image, you need to go to Apps, type Image Upscaler in the search bar, wait for it to load, open the app, and only then can you start upscaling your image. Because of that, in round 1, Magic Upscale wins without a doubt. Now let's move on to flexibility. With Magic Upscale, once you click it, the built-in AI automatically decides how much your image will be enhanced. This is convenient, but it also means you don't have control over the final file size. Keep in mind that the clearer the image, the larger the file size becomes. This is where the Image Upscaler app takes the lead. Before processing your image, it allows you to choose how much you want to upscale it, from 2 times all the way up to 16 times its original resolution. Because of that level of control, round 2 goes to the Image Upscaler app. Finally, let's talk about quality. Which one actually produces better results? Honestly, both tools perform the same core function. However, even though the Image Upscaler app can scale up to 16 times, the Magic Upscale tool tends to produce images with better depth and less blur. So when it comes to overall output quality, Magic Upscale still comes out on top. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know the differences between Magic Upscale and the Image Upscaler app in terms of accessibility, flexibility, and overall quality, and which one you should use depending on your needs. If you want to know more about these tools, how to use them, and how they compare to other apps available in Canva that have similar functions, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.